Good morning, everybody. My name is Ishita, and we have Anvesha with us today. Good morning, Anvesha.
Good morning, Ishita.
So, you were telling something about VXL, the Academic Excellence Company. So, could you please brief a bit about it?
So, as you rightly said, it is Academic Excellence Company. So, VXL is an after-school academic excellence company where we are ensuring that the academic performance of the students will be increased by 50%. So, how we are going to do it? We are actually providing a patented micro-learning program where we are having three things. That will be the concept video, where the students will be going through the videos that will be in the form of like short clips or something like concept video, Y videos, 3 videos. Then the second thing will be the synopsis, where they will be going through the gist of the particular content that we'll be providing. Then the third thing will be the practice test, where the students will be actually taking the test and they will be actually understanding the concept well, and they will be prepared for the next class. So these are not only the things that we are providing, we are providing also some more things that are innovative in the market. That will be our implementation executive. Then the second one will be the platform which we are providing to the schools will be fully configurable and customizable. So whatever the school or the management is requiring, will be formulating the platform in their requirements. And the third thing, that is the most important thing that we are providing, is the zero disruption policy. The zero disruption policy, by here I mean like whatever the curriculum the school is actually following, the same curriculum will be providing the content will be according to the curriculum. Means like we will be not tampering with the content, we will be actually providing whichever content is there, we will be providing same alignment. So this is all about VXL, I can say right now.
So, you are bringing about some innovation in the market, right? So, what is the innovation or the extra thing that you're bringing?
Yeah. So talking about the innovation that you're talking, then the innovation that we're bringing now in the market will be our bundled product, where we're actually claiming like it will be the one-stop solution for everybody. So in the bundled product, actually we are providing three things. The first is our own VXL platform that we're providing. Then the second one will be the publishers, where the publisher will be having the physical content book. So where they will be implemented with us, we will be providing the same content to the management or the schools. Then the third thing will be the fee pad. Fee pad, where all the administrative or fee payment or transportation or anything that will be provided in that ERP system that we are providing in the fee pad. So these three things will be the main pillars of this bundled product, which will actually, I'm definitely sure it will hit the market.
Okay, so you mentioned publishers are going to be a part of this, right?
Yeah.
So how are publishers going to get benefit from here?
So actually publishers, like you have seen, like some publishers are not well known in the market. So by the help of our bundle product, the publisher will get their name. They will get the name in the market, and also they can also benefit in the terms of revenue. Like the revenue generation will also increase, and the most important thing will be the branding. Obviously in our platform, if they will collaborate with us, so obviously they will get the brand name.
Okay, thank you so much, Anvesha. So from Anvesha, we got to know how VXL is being a one-stop solution for every schools and teachers, and how it can be benefited by everybody.